Oh. So the sky stickers have arrived.
Yes, yes. Hello everyone, today I'm out in the woods on the e-bike. We're going to be doing some hill climbs. Come on Lewi, hurry up, get over. Lewi is on the hardtail, the hard 7. I am on the all-mountain xduro. And we're going to see what we can climb and who's going to be better at it. I think Lewi's going to be good because he's light and's got no muscles. So let's get down there and see what happens. Oh. Let's start on this one then.
Yeah.
Easy.
Simple.
Get down there, show us how it's done.
Easy.
Wow. That one was way too easy. This one's got like a bit of a step in it, so I'm going to try that. Whoa. Wow. Proper good. Actually, my pedals are hitting the floor and like pushing me along a bit. It's Lewi's turn now. See if he can do it on the hardtail. He's a bit wimpier and stuff, so it's probably not going to happen. First go. Do it. Cool, quite the run up. He went so fast into it. That was good. Let's find something more tech. We've come to this side now. It's like a bit of a bigger hill. I'm going to see if I can come all the way up and like round this corner, see what happens. It's quite sandy. Oh. Haven't touched yet. Oh. I'm doing it now. Oh. Yes! Yeah! Oh. Wow. Oh. That was incredible. Oh, your go. Go on then, Lewi. Let's see it. Oh, mate. Yes. Oh, weak body. Show everyone the line that you can do that I can't then. This is it. Go on, put the power down. Oh.
There's something I haven't done yet that's inhibiting my ability to hill climb. You know what time it is.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot. Oh, it's crack on 1 o'clock. Whoa! Yeah, money! Lewi has switched now onto the all mountain. I think it's going to be easier for him. Let's see what happens. Go for it. Go on. Yes. Go on. Power through. Oh, whoa. Oh, that was so close. It's actually really wet, isn't it, down there?
Like, look at the tyres now. It's all bogged up. Like, not much grip anymore.
Shall I show you how to do it then real quick?
Yeah, then I'm going to do it.
Alright. Oh. Oh. I reckon I'll do it. Go on then, you do it. We've done it before, but when it gets a bit wet, it's completely different. Go on then. This go. Yes, yes. No way. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Yes. Oh. Almost really good at that. I'll do it. Oh. Oh. Right, this is it. Yes. Yes. No way, gone! Gone! Ah! Oh!
My foot slipped off the pedal.
You gonna do it?
I need to sip some money. Then I'll do it.
Oh. Gone, gone! No way! Yes! Yes! Gone! Oh! If you stop pedaling on the e-bike, that's it. So we had to keep pedaling and then obviously went off to the left.
Yeah.
Let me do it now then quick so we can move on. Perfect line. Yeah. Oh.
Gone.
Yeah.
Gone.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. That was insane. I went off track and still managed to get up. But I think with the hard tail, it's not going to suck up the bumps as much. It's going to be even harder. I'm going to give it one go. Let's let out some of the air. Like whatever happens, I'm going to keep pedaling. No, I'm doing it. I have to do it. This is it, man. Yes! Yes, go on, James, you do. Oh! Yes! Oh! Should we go to that jump now, finally?
Please.
We just got to the jump and I wanted to play on this bike, but I've got a flat tyre, which is annoying, and I let all the air out of that one for hill climbing, so it's going to be weird. But I'm going to ride the hardtail on this jump and try and get a few photos. While we're here, I can tell you that some new To The Sky stickers have arrived. So if you want to get yourselves some, the link is in the description. Let's get to the sky on this table on the hardtail and see if we can get some excitement going. Oh, it's actually nice to jump. Feels a bit like lighter in the air than the other one. Let me hit this like all the way over now. We're up. It's super sketchy with the tyre being that soft. I'm like spinning up the lip. I'm gonna try and get a table. Now I think I'm done. It's like raining. Yeah, whatever. Let's try and table it. Oh, it feels super weird with this flat tyre, but while we're here, let's get a photo and then do one. We got a photo, but it's raining so bad you can't even see it. All the cameras are soaked now. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed our crashes. We suck at climbing hills when it's raining. So that'd be awesome if you leave some comments, and it'd be sick if you subscribe. See you in the next one. To the sky!